Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Please don't skip this video because in this video I am going to explain that how to get a job in the Tech Mahindra company. I will explain each and every step in this video. So please watch this video till end and get your job. Okay, so Tech Mahindra, which is hiring for the customer care associate for voice process. This is going to be a work from home opportunity. There is no need to go anywhere, no need to go to the office. Okay, so this is going to be a totally or completely work from home opportunity. Job position is customer care associates. Okay, so you can check here. Tech Mahindra is giving a job opportunities for a customer care associate for voice process. Okay, so interview model will be telephonic interview. Okay, if you want the video on what type of questions will be asked during the telephonic interview, then please comment below. If many candidates is having the same comment like we want the video, so I will make video on that as well. Okay, so in this video I will explain what is the salary. Many of candidate directly go to the description box, but yeah, for this video you won't get anything in the description box right now. Actually I'm going to explain this in the another way. There is another application process, so please watch this video till end so that you never miss any step. Okay, so yeah, interview will be telephonic interview. Okay, so designation is associate customer support. I repeat, this is going to be totally work from home opportunity, no need to go to office. Okay, fresher candidate as well as 12th passed out candidate, diploma candidate, as well as experienced candidate are also eligible to apply. Okay, so qualification required: graduate, postgraduate, undergraduate candidate, minimum 12th or 10 plus 3 years of diploma, fluency in English and Hindi language. Okay, suppose if you are comfortable with only English language, that is also fine. If you are comfortable with Hindi language, that is also fine. It's not necessary that you should be comfortable or you should be compatible with both the languages. It's not like that. If you know only Hindi language, that is also fine. But yeah, qualification required: minimum 12th or diploma candidate, graduate, postgraduate, undergraduate candidate, MCA, BCA, any degree candidate can apply for this position. Okay, next, experience required: fresher as well as experienced, both candidates can apply. Okay, so next point is required good communication skill with basic computer knowledge required. We already know basic computer knowledge that we have already did in MSCIT. Okay, so no, that will not be a problem. Should have a desktop or a laptop, then Wi-Fi, you should have Wi-Fi, Windows 10 operating system, and noise cancellation headset, that means headphone. Okay, that is required. Salary offered: they will provide you 1.77 LPA to 2.15 LPA plus excellent incentives. Okay, so if you do a good job, if your performance is best, then definitely they will give you excellent incentives. Okay, so what will be your roles and responsibilities once you join as an associate customer support associate? Okay, then we are hiring for the customer support associate position, wherein your roles and responsibilities would include answering premium customer queries via calls, email, chat channel, and resolving the issues of the customers related to non-technical products and service, answering premium customer queries via voice or chat channel. Then you should establish a relationship and trust with customer by ensuring effective qualitative service. We follow a 6-day working culture. Okay, so Monday to Saturday, there will be working days, and are strictly looking forward to hire people who are comfortable working in rotational shift, that is day or day shift or night shift. Okay, so there will be 6 days working. They are looking for those candidates who are comfortable with this working model, okay, with day shift or night shift. Okay, so they are looking for those candidates. If you are okay with any shift like day shift or night shift, no, not a problem. Okay, so what makes you eligible? If you meet the below mentioned parameters. Okay, so candidate should have a personal laptop or desktop, anything. If you have, that is also fine. Candidate should have noise cancellation headset. That means whenever you will do the communication with the customer, then there should not be any noise. Okay, that's why they have mentioned here. Okay, so you should have headset, headphone, like that. Candidate should have Wi-Fi broadband. Okay, then candidate should have Windows 10 operating system, laptop or desktop. Candidate should have 64-bit in laptop or desktop. Candidate should have complete date of birth mentioned in Aadhaar card. Okay, then only basic computer knowledge required. Interview timings are 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, between this time you can call. Now I will directly move forward to how to apply for this. Okay, so these are the reference or concerned persons that you need to call. Okay, it's not necessary that you must call, like you can call to anyone. Okay, so these are the mobile numbers which are provided here. Okay, so you can call to these persons which are currently working in the Tech Mahindra company and take the reference. Okay, take the reference to them by calling. Okay, you can call, please call between this time. Okay, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, so there is one disclaimer point that I'm not any like I'm not doing any third party or not doing any sponsorship or partnership with the Tech Mahindra. I'm just sharing the vacant position with you all. Okay, so that you will also get a chance to get place in a good company, and Tech Mahindra is a very good company. I'm just sharing this job opportunity for the fresher candidates, for those candidates who are really seeking for a new job opportunity. Okay, so you can call any of these numbers and tell them to that you are just gone through the Tech Mahindra vacancy for the customer care associate position, and you are interested in that position, and share your resume with them and follow the steps what they mention. Okay, so please discuss. You can also refer your friends and help them in getting a good career. Okay, so please do call between this time only. Okay, so in the description box you won't get any apply link, because this is the only way to apply. Okay, so I hope I have cleared all the points. So if you are really interested, and one more point, this is not a technical job, this is a non-technical job. Okay, so those who are really interested in this, please apply those, and please share this opportunity with your friends as well, so that they will also get a chance to make a good career with the good company. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you.